What's up, guys? I made this two-stroke. The only problem with it is that you know how on regular two-stroke vacuums when you push it down goes faster. Well, that's not my case. My case is when I push it down, it goes slower. So I think I'm gonna have to replace the valve, with some type of like maybe 2 stacks of these, or some type of like cardboard or like foam, some sort, like packing foam. Yeah, here we go. Running. Some shit on the side actually. You'll see it. You see it. Here, okay, here you go. But yeah, that's basically gonna wrap it up. If you like the engine, just let me know. Yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.